Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is zucchini, and we'll be making potato and zucchini pancakes with chive sour cream and pancakes with shaved zucchini and squash salad, radish, pistachio, and onion basil pesto. Joining me in our Morris Black studio kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Lee Chizmar. These recipes sound amazing, so let's get started. You tell us what to do.
Okay, well, the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to have you guys start with the zucchini. And so we have a little cheese grater here. Let's go ahead and start shredding that.
Okay, and what are we doing over here?
All right, so here I'm just going to kind of help speed up the process a little bit.
Okay.
So I've just done some thin slices. I'm going to come in here and just kind of back slice these.
Okay.
Super, super thin. And so once I have this done, I have over here some shredded potato. Next, I have a kitchen towel.
Okay.
And this is the really big secret for potato pancakes.
Okay.
And it's actually getting all the moisture out. I'm just going to squeeze
Great idea.
all that liquid out. And let's go ahead and add our zucchini. So now we have that mixed up pretty nicely. And so what I usually do is I'll just make them into little
patties.
Yep. And we'll go ahead and drop those in. I just use my spatula to kind of push them
Flatten
down.
down a little bit.
Yeah. But here we have some baby zucchini and summer squash. We're just going to add this to a bowl. This was sliced super thin on a mandolin. I have a little bit of onion. We're going to add that here. Some radish, a few cherry tomatoes,
Sweet.
and a little pistachios.
Love pistachios.
So we actually use the pistachios in place of pine nuts in the pesto.
Okay.
So our pesto here is basil, a little Parmesan, some garlic, and pistachios. So I'm just going to add like maybe a tablespoon.
Okay. Doesn't have to be exact.
Right.
Yeah. Doesn't have to be exact either.
Right. A little bit of pepper. And here I have just a touch of lemon juice,
Okay.
a little bit of sherry vinegar,
Smells so good.
and we're just going to dress it with a little bit more oil. I always like to add a little chives.
I love chives. Love
A
chives.
little.
Good.
All right, so we're just going to kind of mix this around.
That looks beautiful. Very
I feel like I
easy.
want to flip these. Do we
All
flip
right,
these
yeah,
at
let's
some
take
point?
a look. And this is kind of what we'll get to see how we're doing with the cakes. So next, I'm just going to come in here. I have a little bit of salt.
Okay.
This is actually, because the zucchini is kind of raw, this will help it kind of marinate a little bit. All right.
Okay.
So
Bring the
as
moisture out?
Exactly,
Yeah.
and it's going to kind of break down a touch. This would be for the rest of the family.
Okay.
We're just going to add this guy.
And I bet if you threw some protein on top, it would be great for your meal.
This would be fantastic with chicken or salmon. It would be really great. We have a little bit of chive sour cream.
Doesn't it look good?
And I like that we're all eating the same thing.
Yeah, and
We're
we're
all
eating
essentially
together,
eating
and
the
we're
same
eating as a
thing.
family, and you're not wasting your ingredients and
Exactly.
trying to make,
15 different
correct.
meals for everybody else.
Right.
Exactly. These look so great, and they were so easy to make, so why don't we dig in?
Sounds like
so
a good
you should
idea.
Take a fork,
Okay.
And you too, and we'll try these zucchini potato
All right.
pancakes first.
Going to get a little bit of that chive
yeah,
sour
you
cream.
have to get the sour cream. So good.
It's delicious.
And there's 2 ingredients in there.
Yep.
Amazing.
Any
Okay.
child would eat that.
No, I can't wait to try this salad
Okay.
and the pesto. So I have to get a pistachio in there.
I'm trying to get a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
Well, we'll see. Go for the tomato.
The pesto. Amazing.
Well, and it's amazing what a little bit of lemon does to really bring that flavor out.
That tastes like summer.